Don't let seasonal changes take you down. Take control with Eclectic Herb and their nettle quercetin capsules and experience a healthy inflammatory response. With freeze-dried plant power, I've never felt more clear. Just 2 capsules up to 4 times daily when I need clarity, and that's it. I've officially found my go-to natural answer to help support my sinuses, reduce my sneezing, and help with itchy eyes. As a mom who gravitates towards natural remedies, this is a no-brainer. If you're ready to stop struggling through seasonal changes, head to their online herbal shop and get yours now.